another big branch in.
Now my backyard part.
Not yet. Elliot, this guy's climbing up on the tree a little bit. He's climbing up onto the tree.
That was big.
Come on over.
I see a foot. Oh, give me comfortable.
Not yet.
Shut it up.
Not yet.
Wait, no.
Elliot.
You have to.
Elliot, come and watch. This guy's climbing up the tree so he can cut it up higher.
Listen.
Come over here. He's climbing up the tree. You can see him from over here better.
What are you going to do?
He's going to cut off the tree up high so it doesn't fall down on the house. Because this tree is really big and it would fall on the house if he just cut it down.
What is it?
You see how this branch leans toward the house? If they just cut it down, it would fall right on the house. And they don't want that to happen. So he's climbing up the tree to cut it higher up. That's right. He tied a rope around himself and around the tree. So he tied himself to the tree and he's climbing it. That's pretty neat, isn't it? Did you wipe your hands, Elliot? No. Can you go wipe them?
No.
Go wipe them on a napkin. Yeah, look at him climb that tree. It could hurt the house. That's why they don't want that to happen.
What happens when it hits our house?
It could hurt the house. Yeah, he's pretty high up that tree, isn't he?
Maybe that's how high he can go.
Oh, I think he could go higher, but he's cutting down some of the branches up there right now. Thank you for the peanut butter, dear. Look, here comes a big branch. He's pulling down a big branch. You see him cutting it down? You see him cutting down that big branch, Elliot?
It has fresh leaves on it.
It has what?
It has fresh leaves on it.
Fresh leaves? Oh, it has old dead leaves on it. That's why they're getting rid of this one, because it's a dead tree. This is a dead tree.
Maybe all of the trees are dead.
A lot of them are. That's why they're cutting them down.
But I want to go swimming.
Not while these guys are out here. I don't want to get in their way. Hi, because it could be dangerous to go out there while these guys are cutting down trees. So we'll stay in until they're gone. Oh look, he's got the big chainsaw up there with him. He's got the chainsaw up there with him. So he can cut the big branches
The
down.
chainsaw is not going to cut down.
Yeah, that's what they use. They use the chainsaw to cut stuff down. The pancake mix. Oliver, do you want that?
Oh, bye! Oh, that's the movie again.
Elliot, why don't you just look out the window and watch?